Listen, you're not relaxing, you're escaping. Every time discomfort shows up, you grab your phone, scroll, order food, zone out. You've trained your brain to treat discomfort like an emergency, and now you can't build anything worth having, because everything worth having lives on the other side of sustained discomfort. You wake up and you're already on your phone, not because something important is there, because silence hits, and your brain immediately demands relief. You sit down to do something hard, and within 60 seconds you're doing anything but that. You tell yourself you're getting comfortable, but you're running. Months pass, years pass, and the gap between who you are and who you said you'd be just keeps growing. And here's the truth nobody says out loud. You're not lazy. You're addicted. Comfort seeking runs the same neurological loop as substance addiction, same dopamine mechanism, same tolerance build, same withdrawal when you try to stop. The only difference is society calls one a disease and the other self-care. Today I'm giving you 6 steps, the Discomfort Inoculation Protocol, the same framework clinical psychology uses to dismantle phobias, applied to the addiction that's hollowing you out. Execute all 6. Let's go. 1. Run the diagnostic. Before every comfort act, ask yourself one question: am I tired or am I uncomfortable? If you're not physically depleted but still reaching for relief, you're escaping. Name it out loud. I'm avoiding the work. Do this for 48 hours straight. You can't defeat an enemy you keep calling a friend. 2. Starve the dopamine loop. Every escape hit raises your dopamine baseline, making real work feel unbearable by comparison. Execute a 24-hour dopamine fast. No social media, no porn, no Netflix, no delivery food. Replace every urge with 10 minutes of silence. No substitution. Most people medicate their potential away one scroll at a time. 3. Start cold exposure daily. Repeated cold water exposure reduces cortisol reactivity over time. Your nervous system learns to tolerate stress instead of flee from it. End every shower with 90 seconds of maximum cold. No easing in. The moment you want to get out, stay. Every man who built something great learned to stay calm inside discomfort. This is where that starts. 4. Sit with boredom. 10 minutes daily. Your brain fires an escape command every time mental discomfort hits. Set a timer. Sit in a chair. No phone, no music, no task. When the urge fires, don't move. The ability to sit with nothing is the foundation of building something. 5. Stack one hard task. Discomfort tolerance means nothing until it transfers to real output. Identify your most avoided productive task. Commit to 45 minutes, no stops, no switching. Immediately after your cold shower. Most men reward themselves before the work. You do the work, then rest. Do the hard thing first. 6. Build your discomfort ladder. What challenged you in week 1 is easy by week 4. Write 5 discomforts ranked by difficulty: cold shower, dopamine fast, deep work block, 48-hour fast. Then the project you've been avoiding for months. Never drop below level 2. Add 1 new rung every 2 weeks. Comfort addiction has a ladder too. You've been climbing the wrong one. Here's the truth. You don't have a discipline problem, you have a comfort tolerance problem. And now you have the protocol to fix it. These 6 steps aren't habits. They're not a routine. This is you choosing to rebuild the one thing modern life destroyed in you, your ability to endure. Every time you execute this protocol, you're deciding what kind of man you are, the kind who escapes, or the kind who stays and builds. Comment protocol right now if you're starting today, not tomorrow, not Monday, today. Subscribe to The Uplift Way. This is where men stop running and start building.